whole event. Eyes open, world is not background. This is the practice, you're already in it. Heal, soul, release. Heal, soul, release. Where's the weight? Heel, midfoot, ball, jaw. How much space? Back teeth, back of the skull. Shoulders up or set, tunnel vision or wide. Breath asking more than the pace requires. Something has been running you before this walk began. Before I spoke, it already chose the stride. Keep walking, don't change a thing. Just listen to the tempo that was already running. The next stretch needs someone, not the strongest, the needed. Who walks you through this, the witness. If the moment needs space, the adult. If it needs to hold, the builder. If it needs to move, the protector. If it needs a clean no, say it inside. I am walking as the one this needs. I am walking as the one this needs. 1, heel, even, pressure hold. 2, same, pressure hold. 3, ground contact deliberate. 4, crown up 1 millimeter. 5, shoulders set, not collapsed. 6, gaze wide, take the periphery. 7, the chosen one walks now. 8, same, let the body match. 9, same, stride of the one you chose. 10, let the body report. No analysis, just notice what changed in the jaw, what changed in the shoulders, what changed in the urge to rush. The body is the witness, not the mind. If something changed, trust it. If nothing changed yet, keep walking. The body learns by repetition. There is a next room, a door, a meeting, a name. Something that needs the one you chose, not the version loaded by accident. The one you just walked into being. The jaw that crosses that threshold. Feel it here now. The shoulders here now. The footfall on the other side landed here now. The door doesn't change. The one who walks through it does. Don't come back. You're already in the world. You never left. The next 10 steps are not practice anymore. They're the proof you carry. Hand yourself forward. Don't bring yourself back. Don't bring yourself